Hello everybody. So this is my CS50 Python project. Here's my info required as per the CS50 website. So how my project works. It's actually a game called Top Trumps. I used to play when I was a kid. And the first thing that my code does, it downloads this CSV. The CSV contains the information for the cards. It's a cards game. Each card contains information about a car. So we have a car, top speed, horsepower, acceleration, and weight. To cut this video short, instead of having 10 cards for each player, we'll have just two cards for me and 2 cards for the computer. Let's get started. Here are some rules, and I have to type play to start a game. If I type something else, it prompts me again, and when I type start, actually type play. Okay. Then I have to hit end to play the round, and here we go. I have 2 cards, AI has 2 cards, and it's my turn. So I'm gonna choose from 1 to 4, and I'm gonna choose here, just for instance, horsepower, and I lost because the AI's car, actually, it's a card representing a car. It has more HP than my car, so I lost. Next round, the AI is gonna randomly choose one of the values. So the AI chose acceleration, and I win because my car accelerates in less time than the AI's car. Next round, I choose, and I'm gonna choose weight, and I win because my car is lighter. So next round, let me choose top speed. I lost. AI's car is faster, and again AI chose weight. I win because my car is lighter than the AI's car. Next round it's me because I won last round, so I'm gonna choose top speed, and I win. Game over, player wins. I have all the 4 cards, and here we have a report.